those are the parts that we're talking about. And on this journey that we're about to take together.
Yeah.
There we go.
Nice straight lines. There we go.
Yeah.
So when you started turning all the way to the left, keeping the car in motion,
Yeah.
where was the light?
The
brake light? Somewhere here, somewhere like...
It was in the front edge area.
Right here? Somewhere around here? Okay. So yeah, it's a moving target. It's just a rough estimate. You won't even need these markers in the future. They're just like there just to help you figure out when to turn and everything, right?
Okay. But in that case, when the brake lights were about here, you start fully turning?
Yeah, approximately.
Okay.
Yeah, it's more of a spidey sense. You can also use this side mirror here too to judge where your back tire is in relation to the curb. So if you see the space there, when you start getting really close to the curb, then that's when you turn. Oh, but okay, we'll take off.
You'll need to think about these parts.
We're gonna head over to the road test center now, and we'll start your mock road test.
Okay.
So I'd like you to think now.
You passed the assessment.
Yay.
With flying colors. Had a little bit of a struggle there with the parallel parking, but that's very typical, very, very normal. Nothing to worry about. You're not losing control of the vehicle. You're showing me that you have due care and control of it. You're not like losing the right turn. Sorry, you're not like taking your foot right off the brake or bouncing into the curbs or anything like that. Or
about all of your positive parts. Think of all the things in the world that you're good at. All the things in the world that you enjoy.
Oh, I can go now.
oh yeah.
And this can be anything, whether it's being good at sport, or being a friendly person, or being a good person.
We're gonna go straight at the lights.
Or being good at a certain skill, like video games, or DIY, or cooking, whatever it is that you're good at. I want you to think about those things.
And we'll make a left lane change.
And just take a moment to see how many you can think of.